You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Honda Pilot. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Give in to your craving for an SUV that's both rugged and refined. This Pilot is versatile, spacious, and designed for all-weather adventure, as well as comfortable cruising. With all-wheel drive and advanced safety technology, this is the family-friendly SUV you've been waiting for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, heated and/or cooled front seats, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, wireless charging station, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, all-wheel drive. Enjoy the feeling of confidence you'll have on every road trip in this comfortable and capable Honda Pilot. Come in for a test drive today.